Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Anbernic RG35XX not charging. So if you're having problems with your Anbernic RG35XX and it's not charging, there are going to be a few things that you need to understand here. So typically speaking here, your device may stop charging here when or every time you start removing the SD card itself. Now, this happens to a lot of people. So if you remove your SD card here, this will may trigger your device not charging. But what you need to do is you want to insert the SD card and you want to look at the sides. Now, at the sides, you have two buttons here. So you have the power button as well as the R button here. Now, if you're not aware yet, the R button actually means that this is the reset button. So typically speaking, if you're not charging or your device is not charging, you just want to press the reset button once. Now, press it once and see if it starts charging, but if not, you may need to press and hold this for a few seconds, maybe around 5 to 10 seconds, and see if that actually helps with the issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.